landforms in India. All of you open your social textbook, children. Open social textbook, page number 68. So we can see various types of landforms in our country, no? So which are the landforms that we are discussing in this class? Which are the landforms? That is mountains, valleys, plains, plateaus. These are the landforms, no? So in detail we are going to learn in this lesson. See the textbook, children, all of you. I will read. Lesson number 10, landforms in India. The surface of Earth is a collaboration of the various physical features. These natural physical features on the Earth's surface called as landforms. Landforms are defined as the natural physical features found on the surface of the Earth created as a result of various forces of nature such as wind, water, ice and movement of tectonic plates. Some landforms are created in a matter of few hours while others take millions of years to appear. There are many types of landforms on the Earth's surface. Following are some of the common types of landforms and their characteristics. Mountains. Mountains are landforms higher than the surrounding areas. They are formed due to the tectonic movements, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions and erosion of the surrounding areas caused due to wind, water and ice. Mountains are found in the oceans and on land. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. High mountain ranges run along the entire northern boundary of India. The world's most famous mountain ranges is Himalayas, which run from the Indus Valley in the west to Brahmaputra in the east, stretching over a distance of 2,500 kilometers. Himalayan ranges divided into three parts. The greater Himalayas, the northernmost range of the Himalaya is called the Greater Himalayas. It is also known as the Himalaya. The lesser Himalayas, it is also known as Himachal. This range is situated to the south of Greater Himalayas and parallel to it. The average height of this range is 4,000 meters. Outer Himalayas. This is the southernmost range of the Himalaya. Its average height is 1,000 meters. Plateaus. Plateaus are flat islands that are separated from the surroundings due to steep slopes. They are formed by collisions of tectonic plates, magma action that causes the elevations in earth crust. The southern plateaus are triangular in shape. River Narmada divides them into two parts, the Central Islands and the Deccan Plateau. The southern plateaus cover a large part of India. They stretch from 1,600 km from north to south and 1,400 km from east to west. The southern plateaus are surrounded by hill ranges on all sides. The Aravalli Hills are in the northwest and the Rajmahal Hills in the northeast. The eastern Ghats and western Ghats are towards the east and west respectively. over millions of years. Depending on the shape, they are classified as V-shaped valleys and U-shaped valleys. V-shaped valleys are formed by the flowing rivers and U-shaped valleys are formed due to glaciers. Next, deserts. Due to lack of adequate rainfall, desert is a dry piece of land with little or no vegetation. They are mostly found mainly in rain shadow areas which are leeward of a mountain range with respect to the wind direction. In deserts, the atmospheric air is very dry and daytime temperature is high. Next, dunes. Dunes are mounds or small hills made up of sand that are created due to action of water flow. Underwater dunes. It may be dome-shaped, crescent-shaped, star-shaped, linear-shaped and many more. The height of a dune hill can be as low as 1 meter or as high as 10 meter and more. Islands. An island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water from all sides and formed either due to volcanic eruption or due to odd spots in the lithosphere. India has a total of 247 islands. Distant islands, of which 204 lie in the Bay of Bengal and remaining in the Arabian Sea. The Bay Islands, consisting of Andaman and Nicobar group of islands, have a crescendo shape and denote the peaks of submerged. Plains. Plains are flat or the low relief areas on the surface of the earth. It might be formed as a result of the sedimentation of eroded soil from the top of the hills, and mountains are might be due to flowing lava deposited by the agents of wind, water and ice. Rivers are natural flowing streams of fresh water descending from mountains. They mostly flow towards a lake, sea, ocean or another rivers. The rivers of India may be classified into two categories, with rivers of the North India and South India. So what is landforms means? What is landforms means? The surface of the earth is a collaboration of the various physical features. So our earth, what is the surface of the earth? There is a various physical features. These natural physical features on the earth's surface is called what? Landforms. What is landforms? The surface of earth is a collaboration of the various physical features. Various physical features. tectonic plates. So by this force of in nature forms the landforms. Some landforms are created in a matter of few hours, while other takes millions of years to appear. So to form these landforms, some landforms will take less, means it takes few hours. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು landforms few hours ಕೆಲವು ಗಂಟೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So some landforms will take millions of years to appear. So there are many types of landforms on the earth's surface. Following are some of the common types of landforms and their characteristics. So there are so many landforms. Here they given some names. So first one is what? Mountains. What is mountains means? The large hills, the large area over the hills is known as what? Mountains. Mountains are landforms higher than the surrounding areas. Areas. So the large hills is known as what? Mountains. So these are the hills. No? So these hills like in a large form, it is known as what? Mountains. They are formed due to the tectonic movements, earthquakes, volcanic eruption and erosion of the surrounding areas caused due to wind, water and ice. How these mountains are formed? These are formed by the when there is earthquakes or volcanic eruptions, tectonic movements. ಇದರೆಲ್ಲ ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ mountains form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So where we can form these mountains? Mountains are found in oceans. In the oceans also we can see the mountains, and in the land also we can see the mountains. In mountains, which is the largest mountain means which is the highest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? It is Mount Everest. High mountain ranges run along the entire northern boundary of India. So where is the mountain ranges? In the Himalayas we can see the larger mountains. It starts from the Indus Valley in the west to Brahmaputra in the east. Indus Valley from the east side, west side in the Brahmaputra to the east side with the we can see the mountains. So 2500 kilometers. So these Himalayan ranges are divided into three groups. So these mountain ranges is there, no? These are divided into three groups. So which are the three groups? First one is the greater Himalayas. Second one is the lesser Himalaya. And third one is the outer Himalayas. Outer Himalayas. So these are the three mountain ranges. They are divided into three groups. So the first one is greater Himalayas, second one is the lesser Himalayas, and third one is outer Himalayas. So the greater Himalayas. So the northernmost range of the Himalaya, the first range, the northern range is known as what? Greater Himalayas. It is also known as what? It is also known as Himadri. What is the another name? The greater Himalaya is also known as what? Himadri. Next, the lesser Himalayas. So this lesser Himalaya is also known as what? Himachal. Himadri, Himachal. First one, greater Himalaya is known as Himadri and lesser Himalaya is known as Himachal. So this is the south to see north south. To this north there is this is the greater Himalaya, okay? To the south of the greater Himalaya is the lesser Himalaya. North side north place is greater Himalaya. Greater Himalaya south direction ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is a lesser Himalaya, and these are parallel. See, these are parallel. No, here is the greater Himalaya, here is the lesser Himalaya. So these are parallel to each other. So what is the average height of this lesser Himalaya is 4,000 meters. Next is outer Himalayas. This is in the southernmost range of the Himalayas. Greater Himalaya is the northernmost. In middle there is a lesser Himalaya. So the southernmost is known as outer Himalaya. The height of the outer Himalaya is, what is the height of the outer Himalaya? This is 1,000 meters. Next is plateaus. What is plateaus means? Plateaus are flat islands that are separated from the surroundings due to the steep slopes. Plateaus means what? These are the flat islands. Flat islands na plateaus anta kuda karitare. So it is separated by a steep slopes. They are formed by the collision of tectonic plates. This is also formed by how magma actions, elevation in earth crust. By this, plateaus are formed. So the plateaus are triangular in shape. These are triangular in shape. River Narmada divides them into two parts, the Central Islands and the Deccan Islands. Deccan Plateau. So these plateaus are divided by the it is divided by Narmada River. Narmada River in the plateaus two divisions are divided in, which are the Central Islands and the Deccan Plateau. Which are the two divisions? The Central Highlands and another one is Deccan Plateau. The southern plateaus cover a large part of India. So it starts from 1,600 km from north to south and 1,400 km from east to west. So these plateaus are in the southern part. So from north to south, how much it is? 1,600 km, and from west to east is a 1,400 km. The southern plateaus are surrounded by hill ranges. So the southern plateaus are covered by the hills, which are the Aravalli hills in the northwest and Rajmahal hills in the northeast. Northwest Aravalli hills from northwest side, and the Rajmahal hills from the northeast. The eastern Ghats and the western Ghats are towards the east and west respectively. So there are towards the east there is eastern Ghats and towards the west there is a western Ghats. Next is valleys. So valleys are a low-lying areas flat between hills and mountains. See the picture, between the hills and mountains, the area. So this area is known as what? Valleys. So it is classified into two groups. These are also two groups, which are the U-shaped and V-shaped. U-shaped and V-shaped. So what is it? This U-shaped and V-shaped? V-shaped valleys are formed by the flowing rivers. V-shaped river ಯಾವದಿಂದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? By flowing rivers. Flowing rivers in the form ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು V-shape, and from the glaciers U-shaped is formed. Next is deserts. Desert means how it is? It is covered by sand. There is a very less rainfall, no vegetation. They are mostly found mainly in rain shadow areas, which are leeward of a mountain range with respect to wind direction. In desert, the atmosphere tectonic. Fourth one, mountains, mountains, mountains. Fifth one, stretching, stretching, stretching. Sixth one, plateaus, plateaus. Next one is valleys, valleys. Eighth one, triangular, triangular. Glacier, glaciers. Atmospheric, atmospheric. So see, what is this? What is this, children? Collaboration. Say the spelling: COLLABORATION. Collaboration. Next, landforms, LANDFORMS. Landforms.